How to add music to YouTube videos after uploading. First, open your YouTube channel. Then, click Profile in the top right corner of screen. Next, open YouTube Studio and select Content from the left-hand menu. Now, find the video you want to add music to and click on it. From the left-hand menu, select Editor. In the editor, find the audio section and click Add. This will open the YouTube audio library where you can choose music available for your video. You can preview any track by clicking the play button. Once you find a track you like, click Add to place it on your video. Now, you can adjust the starting point and length of the music by dragging the edges of the audio track. You can also adjust the audio level if the music is too loud or too quiet. If you want to remove the music, simply open the three-dot menu and select Remove. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save in the top right corner. And that's how you can add music to an existing YouTube video using YouTube Studio. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.